Black holes are among the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe. But why do they exist? Their story begins with stars, massive furnaces of gas that shine through nuclear fusion, balancing the outward push of energy with the inward pull of gravity. When a massive star runs out of fuel, fusion stops, gravity takes over, and the star collapses. If the star is heavy enough, the collapse is unstoppable, crushing matter into an infinitely dense point called a singularity, surrounded by the event horizon, the boundary from which nothing, not even light, can escape. Einstein's theory of relativity predicted such objects over a century ago, though many thought they were only mathematical curiosities. Today, we know they are real. Black holes come in different sizes, from stellar remnants to supermassive giants millions of times the mass of our Sun, like Sagittarius A at the center of the Milky Way. Far from being only destroyers, they shape galaxies, control star formation, and power some of the brightest phenomena in the cosmos. We cannot see them directly, but we observe their influence. Stars whipping around invisible centers, or matter heating to extreme temperatures as it spirals in. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope gave us the first image of a black hole's shadow, a moment that proved their existence beyond doubt. Black holes even warp time itself. Near their event horizons, time slows down compared to the rest of the universe. So why do black holes exist? Because gravity demands it. They are the natural end of massive stars, a consequence of the laws of physics, and perhaps the universe's way of hiding its deepest secrets. They are not just monsters in the dark, but cosmic architects and keys to mysteries that may one day unlock the origins and destiny of the universe. Love documentaries? Subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories and in-depth content. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more fascinating documentaries coming your way.